Getting a new roof is not cheap, in fact it's quite the opposite. When you're getting bids for your building, and roofers are speaking using terms such as fully adhered or mechanically attached, if you're not in the roofing industry, these are not words you hear every day, and it can get quite confusing. Here is a quick guide to what fully adhered and mechanically attached mean. First, it's good that we explain who we are. We have been in the commercial roofing industry for over 30 years serving Southern California. Some of our clients include See's Candies, 20th Century Fox, and Rexford Industrial, to name a few. Now let's get right into it. No matter which commercial roofing system you have on your property, it was fastened or attached to your building by either a fully adhered or mechanically attached. Let's dive into adhered first. Adhered just means glued. So when a flat commercial roof has been fully adhered, it means the roof is glued down to insulation boards below it. The insulation boards serve a dual role of providing insulation and securing the roof using screws. Then the final layer of glue and roofing material is added on top to create a waterproof seal. Some advantages of adhering a roof are as follows. An adhered can be installed without penetrating the membrane. This method secures the membrane across the entire roofing assembly. Easier to service in the event of a leak. Provide a better wind uplift rating with fewer seams. There are also some disadvantages to adhered roofing. For example, they're more expensive to install. Produce a very foul smell during installation. And since the membrane is only glued to the paper face of the insulation, if the insulation face begins to peel up, or any wind gets under the system, fully adhered commercial roofs can blow off. Nearly 80% of commercial roofs are mechanically attached. First, a membrane is laid down, then screws are driven directly into the insulation boards into the metal deck below. The screws are strategically placed so that the next layer of membrane covers the edge of the next sheet and the screws. A watertight seal is created by heat welding the membranes together. Some advantages of mechanically attached roofs are: roofing rarely fails over time. There are no foul smells when installing. Ability to improve wind ratings. Less expensive to install. As always, there are also some disadvantages. There are more perforations, meaning there are more chances for leaks. Also, the penetration of fasteners can hit conduit systems on the deck, like lighting systems. Overall, both methods have their pros and cons, so whether you choose an adhered system, or a mechanically attached system for your roof, the most important aspect of all is that it is installed correctly. So when you're taking bids, make sure you do your due diligence, check for a roofer's license, how long they have been in business, and so forth. What are your thoughts on these methods of attaching a roof? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. Until next time, take care.